Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. After the watch turns off, you can release the light button and wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again, and keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.